Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you're new here, first of all, welcome. This is a series that I do every month here on my YouTube channel, and it is just fast-paced, showing you just a few of the wigs I have chosen to wear in the previous month. So this is going to be the wigs I wore in February. I usually choose 10 of the wigs that I wore during the month, and then we just talk about them very briefly. This is not a wig review. If you see one of these wigs and you want to know more about it, check the drop down box below this video. Just be sure to expand that drop down box, and if I have reviewed this wig, and I think probably have reviewed the majority of these, the link to the full video will be in the drop down box. So if you want to see more about it, cap construction, outdoor lighting, discussion of color and style and specs and all of that, it'll be on the full video, which will be linked below. Now, all of the wigs I'm going to show you today are from wigstudio1.com. They were either purchased with my own funds or they were sent to me previously for review. So be sure to check out all of these wigs at wigstudio1.com. Okay, first off, let's talk about Jon Renau January Petite. This color is Salted Caramel. Wow, this color. I love this color. I want you to see the highlighting in this wig. Look how beautifully done this is around the face with the highlighting. They did an excellent job, in my opinion, on this style. Now, as you know, January is a bestseller for Jon Renau. I, however, have found that the Jon Renau hand-tied caps can be large on me. I can wear them. I can make them fit. I will take the adjusters in the back and I can get them to fit. However, this Petite is perfect. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I believe this is stretch up to probably 21½. If you've tried these Petite Jon Renau styles, leave me some messages below. Tell me how did they fit on you. But I was thrilled to get this Petite size because I just think the fit is perfect. It has good coverage. Now you can see my bow hair right there and right here. You could shade that if you wanted to. Use a little shading powder. You could easily take care of that. I, however, seldom do that. Sometimes if I have a very blonde wig that I'm wearing, I will use a very light highlight powder, and so my hair is not so dark against something that is very blonde or light. I will do that occasionally, but mostly I don't, because I just don't want to. I don't feel like I need to. I don't feel like you see that. It's perfectly fine with me. So this is a beautiful beachy wave. Fits great, popular style, lace front, hand-tied cap. Like I said, I will have this video at the time of this filming. This video might not be up on my YouTube channel, but it might. So if it is, check the drop down box again below this video, and if I have posted this full review, I will link it below. Okay, this is BelleTress Timeless, and the color is Chrome. Now, I love Chrome. Absolutely love it. Own it in lots of different styles. However, many people, I seldom make a video with one of these heavily rooted, dark rooted colors that someone doesn't leave me a message and say, I hate those rooted colors. I totally understand. I get it. I respect your opinion. You might not like it. I, however, do like it. So I like that we all have different opinions. We don't all have to like the same thing. That's the beauty of this wig wearing journey we're all on. There are so many styles, colors, everything to choose from, everything under the sun. And I'm so happy we have that, because we can all look different. We don't all have to look exactly the same. We have things to choose from. So I totally understand that many people don't like these, but I do. So I purchased this. I like it. I love Chrome. I think it's a gorgeous color. And so I just wanted to show it to you. I just think it's striking. I've had more fun wearing Chrome many times. Yes, people might think, well, I don't like that root. That's okay, I do. It is heavily rooted, absolutely. Highlighted around the face. You might want to call this a fashion color, whatever, but I just think it's a fun little wig. Okay, this is Gabor Everyday Elegant Rusty Auburn. Now, a couple things about this wig. First of all, I am in love with this color. I think Gabor's Rusty Auburn is so well done. If you like a red, this is a beautiful red, but this style is huge on my head. Absolutely very, very big. This will be for a large circumference. I do not think you'd have any trouble at all wearing this wig. It's probably one of the largest Gabor wigs I have had. It is not a large cap. It's an average size cap, but it runs on me very, very large. Again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. But how fun is this style? Just these waves, lace front. This is all going forward. You can pull it all forward, but that's not my style. You know, I like things behind my ears, so I'm definitely going to put it behind my ears. This is just an easy to wear, out of the box style. Okay. Yes, yes, and yes. This is Wille Sky in the new color Metallic Purple Rooted. I have worn this, I don't know how many times this previous month. Since I got it, I have reached for this and reached for this and reached for this. If you are familiar with Jon Renau Flurry, this is very similar to that color. I think this is a wearable style. It's a little bit longer on the top. It is not a true purple, as you can see. I have a full video on this where I show this in all types of lighting. So if you're curious about that, be sure to check the drop down box and have a look at that video. But how adorable is this style? It is just so cute. All of these layers, you can wear it behind your ear, you can wear it going forward. You can do so much with this. It is trendy, but not too trendy, as I tell you all the time. It is just fun, out of the box styles. I really like the nape on this. I think it fits good. It's longer if you have hair that grows down on your neck. This is perfect. I can't say enough about this wig. I like it that much. Okay, Raquel Welch, straight up with a twist, fiery copper. Now, there are wigs that are just staples in your wig wardrobe. This is one of those for me. I have it in 3 colors, I think. I like the choppy ends of this. I like that it comes under the chin just a little, not too long, not too short, face flattering. Fiery copper, one of my all-time favorite wig colors, definitely one of my favorite Raquel Welch colors. Just beautifully done. If you have this wig, leave me some comments below. Tell me about your experience with Straight Up with the Twist. It's another one that you just reach for. You know, do you have those wigs in your wardrobe that you just, if you're just like, I don't know what to wear today, I will automatically reach for something like this because I know it's going to work every time. It's going to look good. It goes with anything I have on. Like I said, I have it in several different colors so I can match my outfits. I love red hair with something blue like this. They're just so much fun. Isn't it great? I just treat my wigs like accessories. Estetica Designs Jett RH1488 RT8. Now, in the cooler months, I tend to put away a lot of my really short wigs. Well, I have Jett back out and in the rotation. It's starting to get warmer here now, and I love my pixie wigs in the hot weather. I live down here in the south, and I love pixie wigs. Now, Jett, I have had this wig well over a year, longer, and I am looking for another one. I don't want to be without Jett. I think I'm going to order it. I really want it in a red, but I just want to try. I think I'm going to get a backup of this color and order it in another color because that's how much I like it. I don't want to be without Jett. Fits great on the nape. Again, a little longer here, but this asymmetrical cut is so cute. Just pull to the side, wear it down, all these layers. You can put some product in this, get some height in this, sleek it down. There's lots you can do with this wig. Now, this is Wille Elegance Mono Bernstein Rooted. This is brand new. I was lucky enough, thank you Wig Studio One, they sent me this wig prior to launch, so I was able to wear it. I was able to get to know this style. And I will tell you, I have a review on this wig. This is a special wig. This is one of the blends. It is part human hair and then part heat-friendly synthetic. Like I said, I have a full review that goes into great detail about the fibers, how to care for it, what's recommended, how to use heat on it, everything you need to know. But what I really want to tell you is wow. Every once in a while a wig comes along that's a wow wig. For me, this is it. Now, I have Ellen Villa Adore, which is also the same type of blended hair. I have had it forever. Actually, I have two, and they look as good now as when I first got them a year ago. Now, I take very good care of my hair. This is an investment. I will concede and tell you this is an investment. However, if you like these blends, I believe it's worth it. Now, that is my personal opinion. Everyone has their opinion, and that is my personal opinion. I think this wig is perfect for the person who does not like to change their style. And there are many people who do not, who want to wear the same wig every day. Nothing wrong with that. Again, the beauty of wig wearing. The choice is ours of what we do every day. I believe this line, this new, if you haven't seen these, there are several from the Prime Power. There are some longer ones. This is the shortest of them, but there are some that are longer that are absolutely stunning. But I believe if you want to wear the same style every day, this is a beautiful option for you. Just a few things I like. Now, I like the flippy layers. That's just my style. I would absolutely apply heat and add more curl to this. You can do that. You could completely straighten this and make it straight. It has style memory. You can wash this. If you add some curls or you straighten it completely and you wash this, it will hold that for several more washings before you have to restyle it and put a heat on it again. Yes, these are part heat-friendly fibers, like I said, so you will need to apply heat to keep these ends looking good, but this is a special, beautiful style. Okay, for the ladies who like a little longer, this is new this year. This was Gabor On the Room, Fiery Copper. Again, wow, look at this gorgeous color. Now, Gabor, they did it right with this. This is gorgeous. Highlighting around the face. Wow, just absolutely a beautiful style, a beautiful color. If you like long, you can do a lot of styling with this. You can put this in an updo, you can wear this in a ponytail. Lots and lots of things you can do here. Again, this is one that I like to keep. I like some longer styles from time to time. So as you know, I have a lot of long styles and I wear them up. Like I said, this is so pretty off your face. You can pull it back on both sides. Just keep a few of these just to have those styling options. We talked about some really expensive wigs. We've talked about some wigs that are kind of in the mid-price range. Let's talk about some budget-friendly wigs. This is Renau Paris Jude. The color is Creamy Toffee Rooted. I just reviewed this. This is adorable. Lots of permatease. If you do not like permatease, this absolutely is not your wig. I, however, am all about the permatease. Now, don't get me wrong. I love my basic cap. I love a basic cap. I love my hand-tied caps. I love my mono features. I love it all. I love all of those things, and I can. And you can too. It's perfectly okay. If one day I want to wear something long and sleek, and one day I want to put on some big hair. Again, what I love about this wig journey. Every day I'm going to wear something different. It's just how I like to do it. So I was just thrilled to review this wig. It is just adorable. Look at these layers. Has a little length if you don't want something too long. Yes, it is adorable. It really is. You can wear it all going forward. Get that look. Like you know, I gotta have one side tucked in. You can sleek this down a little bit. You could use a little steam here if you would like, but I think they did a really good job on this. Creamy Toffee Rooted was my very first colored wig. The first wig I had was Creamy Toffee Rooted, and I've always liked it. One of the most popular wigs I think that's come out lately is Gabor Trend Alert. This is SS Iced Cappuccino. I love this color. Isn't this a beautiful, beautiful color? This is just a shattered, look at the ends of this, just shattered. Easy to wear, throw on and go. I think that's why this one has been so popular with people, because really, you can just throw this on and get out the door. Very, very popular. Look how pretty this is around the face. I have seen so many people review this and just rave about it. Just this carefree, fun style. I don't think you can go wrong with Trend Alert. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel. I do this every month. I have a lot of these little short videos that I enjoy doing, and I hope you enjoy them as well. So leave me lots of comments. Tell me which one of these have you tried. Are they your favorite? What you like, what you don't like about them. Let's talk about these wigs. Thanks so much and have a great day.